Create a pre-job supplement from this list. Select either Add Supplement Item icon to begin creating your supplement. Create supplement item for waste. Select either pre-job or post-job. As an option, enter a header or title for the supplement item to be created. This only affects how the supplement item appears in the report. Search for the supplement item by typing waste in the search keywords field. There are 4 pre-written template items to address roof waste to choose from. Select the one you prefer. Select Add Item. The first supplement item has been created. Select Add Supplement Item to create the second item. Create supplement item for overhead and profit. Enter a title for adding overhead and profit to the supplement. Type in overhead or profit into the search keywords field. Select the appropriate item from the dropdown. Choose from 4 pre-written template items that best fits your request for O&P. Select Add Item. The O&P supplement item has been added. Select Add Supplement Item to continue. Create supplement item for Drip Edge. Enter a title for installing Drip Edge as a code item. Enter Drip into the search field. Select either of the items in the dropdown. There are multiple choices. The first pertains to code. Note the quantity has been filled in from the data entered in the waste report and the correct exact code is included. The IRC building code is included below. Select Add Item. The third supplement item has been added. Select Add Supplement Item. Create supplement item for power vents. Enter title for power vent supplement item. Begin entering power into keyword search field. Select item from the drop-down. There are 4 pre-written power vent supplement items to choose from. The best in this case is for building code. Enter 2 into the quantity box as there are 2 power vents that need to be replaced. If the wording of the existing item doesn't exactly match what you wish, edit it by selecting the pencil icon and revising it. Add photos to validate your supplement item. Select Add Image for this item, then select the first Upload Image icon to the left. Select the image you wish to add. Repeat for up to 4 images per supplement item. Select the item. Select Add Item. The power vent supplement item has been added. Select Add Supplement Item. Create supplement item for detach and reset weather vane. Occasionally, you will need to supplement for something where a standard supplement item doesn't exist. When this happens, create a new custom item. Select New Custom Item tab, then select Add Custom Item. Enter the title for your custom item. Enter a reasonably detailed description for what you're wanting to supplement for. Select Add Image for this item, select Upload Image, and upload up to 4 images to validate your request. You may save this item to your custom library by checking the box. Save this for future use. Select Add Item to create this supplement item. The final supplement item has been added. Whenever you step away from your work, it's good practice to save your work by selecting Save as Draft. Your supplement is complete. Select Create. If your supplement includes an item for waste, select Yes in the box that pops up. If not, select No. Selecting Yes will automatically attach the waste report to the email you send to the adjuster. Review the tutorial for submitting supplements to learn how to send your supplement report and supporting documents to the appropriate parties. The supplement report, which will be attached to the email you create, will look like this. Note: the titles you created show up in bold above the description for each supplement item. You have the option of entering these or not as you add the supplement items.